For both the Arduino and ARCIMUSE layouts, we have 14 pins located at the top. These are labeled digital PWM. These pins are what we refer to as digital input-output, or I/O pins. So what are digital signals? A digital signal can either be a high signal or a low signal. A high signal has a voltage level equal to the supply voltage of the microcontroller, so 5 volts in case of the Arduino Uno. Other common terms you'll hear for a high signal is on or 1. On the other hand, a low signal is equal to the ground of the microcontroller, or 0 volts. Low signals are also referred to as off or 0. Digital I/O indicates that these digital signals can either come from the Arduino or come from somewhere else to be read by the Arduino. So as a digital output, the Arduino can trigger an action to something else, such as turning on and off an LED. As a digital input, another component can trigger the Arduino to do something else, such as a user flicking a switch for the Arduino to read.